Hi everybody. So today I've got a brand new box to unbox. And this is one that I've had my eye on for a while, but I just never went for it because probably I already have quite a few boxes. But I'm getting rid of a couple of boxes. And then I noticed that this one had a theme that I very much like. It is the black box, and it comes in two different sizes. This is the Deluxe Coffin size, and it also comes in like standard size or something. So the theme for this month, well, technically last month, May, the theme for May was witches. So I had to pick it up, and I had to get the Deluxe Coffin size as a one-off purchase. And then I saw that the theme for June is Edgar Allan Poe, so I went ahead and subscribed for month to month. But that one I'm getting the standard size, the smaller size, for my month-to-month subscription. So let's dig in. I have been waiting since May. Here's the little card. Moonlight Divinations. Oh, and I think it tells you what's in there. So I don't want to see, so I open it up. I'm seeing something that resembles maybe a Ouija board. Kind of. More like a magic 8-ball. So it's like a handkerchief. Homemade, obviously. Hand painted. That's very cool. And then a decal of a planchette. And a little envelope. It says, "What do the cards hold for you?" I don't know, what do they hold for me? Oh, is it a little tarot card? The Six of Pentacles is a card representing being in harmony with your money. I like that. The amount that comes in and the amount that flows out are in balance, and you are thankful for what you have without being grasping of it, and happy to share with others in need. This card is also about charity. Very awesome. What is this, a candle? It looks like a cupcake. I don't think that's a candle. I'm not seeing a wick. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. This looks like a scarf, maybe? Or a shawl? Yes, it's a shawl. Or headscarf, if you want to be like a gypsy. My cat's like flipping out. He's over there on the couch, and he saw me whip this thing around, and his eyes went, You don't like Mama's new headscarf? You like it? There's more stuff. What have we got? Frankincense? I have no idea what to do with that. It doesn't have a smell. Okay. A little box. Ooh, that's kind of heavy. Oh. Is there a little stand that goes with it? Perchance. What's in here? This is probably jewelry. Yes, it is. I think. What is this? That's not jewelry, is it? What do I do with that? It's cool. I like the stone, but I'm not sure what to do with it. Okay. Oh, Ouija board socks! That is awesome. Unfortunately, it's like 100 degrees, and it's, yeah, I won't be able to wear these for a few months, but I got them, and they're cute. And I see a pretty ring. Is it a mood ring? Huh. It's a mood ring. That's pretty. And it's adjustable, so it should fit my fat fingers. And the last item is in a pretty little bag. And it looks like a necklace. And it's the Zodiac, which is very cool. Okay, it's got an extender on it, so I might be able to fit it around my fat neck. Maybe with the extender. That's very cool. Right on. So, I'm really not sure what I'm supposed to do with this without a stand. But, where's the little card? Here it is. Moonlight Divinations. All answers are hidden within us. Divining is the process in which we seek out these answers using tools to focus or expand our subconscious. Provided in this box are items to help remove the veil and find inner truth. So, oh, so this little thing is a lotion bar. Okay. That's not for you, dude. No, quit scratching on it. So, yeah, I've got a crystal ball. I guess I'll just put it in my pocket and wait for somebody to need their fortune told or something. Oh, whatever. Anyways, bunch of cool stuff. Oh, this is a pendulum. That's what it is. A pendulum. Okay. Cool. There we go. So I think I was mistaken because I don't think this is the witch's theme. Maybe that's for June. Because this is Moonlight Divinations, obviously. Obviously. So I'm thinking June will be the witch theme. Perchance. So I should be getting that one soon. It'll be in a smaller box because, like I said, I subscribed to the regular box, whatever. It just comes in a plain rectangular box, not a coffin-shaped one like this. So, Black Box subscriptions, I will post their website and Facebook down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.